Yes, sir. What it do, baby guys? Welcome back to the 6 Minute Sneaker Channel. I want to do things a little bit differently and, get you guys' feedback and really focus on the sneaker itself. So let's do an Air Jordan Retro 1 Metallic Gold High unboxing video, guys. So let's take a look here. As we can see, the Nike original boxing here, as you can see, red Nike letters, inside Nike check, and also your stamp code, and a little small detail there. You know what that means. This it's not a check, it's a swoosh. All right, swoosh. And now we're starting to get to the contents of the packaging. Let's take a look at that white paper here that covers our product, or what we came to see. The Air Jordan Retro 1. Oh my goodness, look at them things right there. The Air Jordan Retro 1 metallic gold ones. Let's just gently, slowly take those out the packaging so we don't do any harm to these shoes, so we don't damage that beautiful. Oh my goodness, just look at how that reflects in the light, guys. When you throw this on right here, it's definitely going to turn a lot of heads. But as you can see, the Air Jordan Retro 1 metallic gold is patent leather through and through, guys. The whole entire outer layer of this shoe is patent leather with that silk, that it's not even silk, but it's that mesh, that graded material when it comes to the toe, with a gold stitch Nike Air tag. And as you guys can definitely read or see, we'll read the trademark. Nike and the swoosh name and stripe are trademarks, and your guarantee of quality swoosh, made in China. So we know where it's made, located. We see our inner tag QRC code, and on the inner sole we see that black and gold inside as well. On the insole, that gold Nike Air. As you guys can see, this shoe was constructed very well with the stitching that add that little details of the gold with the stars that's right here located on the toe. As you can see, like, guys, this shoe right here, it was very well constructed, and I think Jordan Brand is definitely happy with the success of this model. And I think the 6-man sneaker review, I think this Air Jordan Retro 1 metallic gold model, if I had to rate it, a 7 out of 10. And the reason I rate this sneaker a 7 out of 10 is because of just the material. I do believe that these shoes are going to be hard to keep clean over time, because you want to make sure it keeps that shine. You don't want that patent leather to get dingy, fade. And as well, it does have a black midsole, so that sole is black, so it's going to get a lot of wear, and it's definitely going to be something that looks good over time. But when that patent leather, when that starts to fade, when that starts to get dingy, when it starts to wear a little bit, I think these shoes will kind of lose that luster that the shoes has. And as well, the toe, as a Jordan Retro 1, they crease already because of just the shape of the toe. And as well, that if you do wear a true to size, let's say 11, I would recommend you going down to a 10.5, or if you wear a 10.5, I would recommend you going down to a 10, because they're going to crease, guys. They're definitely going to crease. And just with the makeup of the shoe, and as well with the style of the shoe and the material, I have to give it a 7 out of 10 because of the issues with creasing, and then just the wear over time. I don't know if these are wearable that much, because once you start putting some wear on these, you're gonna lose that gleam. That when the sun hit it, hey, look, they know what you got on your feet. So I give these a 7 out of 10, and I do think these are, however, a must-have in your collection if you don't have a patent leather shoe. I mean, it's just one of those things, like, these don't come around that often anymore, and you want to make sure that you have this in your collection if you're an avid Jordan Retro 1 fan. And if you're a Jordan fan, period, you want to definitely have a wide variety and selection of J's in your closet. So go ahead and add the Air Jordan Retro 1 patent leather metallic gold ones to your collection. And if you guys don't know where to get a pair at, if you are unable, you call it on the sneakers app. You missed on the raffles. Hit me up, D6Man, guys. We still have pairs available, and so the sizes that we have available for the Air Jordan Retro 1 metallic gold, and while I'm telling you about the sizes, I'll show you the other shoe with the gold laces as well. But the Air Jordan Retro 1 metallic golds that we have in stock, that we have available, is going to be the Air Jordan, the size 4, size 4.5, a 5, a 6.5, a 7, and for the men's sizes, we still have available 8, 8.5, 11, and 12, guys. So look, these are a beauty, and I definitely hope, if you guys haven't copied yet, you will go check us out on the website at d6man.com. And look, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the new style of videos, and let me know what you like. So definitely check out the video. And to everyone out there, if you caught an L, if you missed out on your sneakers, if you are going through whatever you're going through, sneakers can make it better. And if you want a pair of Air Jordan Retro 1 metallic golds, please hit me up. Let me know what size you need, and we can get them, we have them, or we can find them. All right, have a good one.